Focus. To set focus in our smartphone's native camera, tap the screen on the subject you want to be in focus. Your smartphone should work out how far away the subject is, and adjust focus to that distance. If you film using the FiLMiC Pro app, you can pull up and down the focus wheel to adjust the focus on your shot. Professional cinematographers often move focus during a shot, in movies and TV shows. It is known as a rack focus or a focus pull. FiLMiC Pro has extra focus features. For example, it allows you to automate a focus pull. You can also switch on focus peaking, which helps you find your focus accurately. The area in focus will turn green or zebra, depending on the setting.